The last song that will have whole group choreography is He's Alive, of course, except for the finale, but that'll just be, you know, copying moves that you've hopefully already taught them. He's Alive will have streamers. As last we spoke, each kid will have one streamer, and I'd like to be held in the right hand. When you get to the chorus, you have He's Alive, He's Alive, He's Alive. They're always in threes. So I think it's easier maybe for the younger ones to start the ripple. This will be just a slow ripple. Group one, which will be hopefully first and second graders, will say, He's alive, He's alive, He's alive. And just bring it down, just 3 circles. Group two, which should be the next grade, I believe the second, third and, just have a third grade group? Whatever the middle grades group is, we'll just say, He's alive, He's alive, He's alive. Bring it down. Oldest kids, because it's probably hard for them to wait and count, He's alive, He's alive, He's alive. We've talked about having different graduated colors, but guys, it's just a circle. So, He's alive, He's alive, He's alive. When they say there's one where they actually say He's alive, and it's on there, they're going to cross over because they've just paused here. They're going to cross over quickly to the left. He's alive, and they'll streamer it down. So He's alive, He's alive, He's alive, He's alive. And that's it, just a little graduated thing. We'll practice with them. We'll make sure they're not going to flap each other in the face. But it's just a celebration. He's alive. And that's really the only choreography we'll have. We can even call it that. But it's really a small circle, arc back over, bring it down. And hopefully we'll have those for them to practice with in the classrooms too. I will lobby hard for that. That's it.